All right, folks, we got a 3-day adventure. It's gonna be a special one because I've got crew. I think we're ready to go. Engine's warmed up. We're in Panama City Beach, Florida. Or actually, we're in Panama City, Florida. We're gonna be cruising in the Chill Island area. Like I said, I've got crew, so it's gonna be easy. Let loose the stern line. All right, so you gotta pull this one in. Pull it all the way in till you get all of it. Keep pulling. Heave. Heave. Keep pulling until you get to the end of the rope. Keep pulling. Okay. Oh, that's it. Did it get you in the face? All right. Good job. All right, let loose the bow line. Careful. All right, you may have to just pull it in, buddy.
Okay.
All right. The entire line on board?
Yes, sir.
All right, good work. Let's see if the captain can get us out of here.
I'm going out of that.
Okay. You be careful. All right, good work, crew. Give it 5. Boom! That's what I'm talking about. I got me a grade A crew today. Actually, this is kind of their first trip. They're learning how to crew. All right, you guys ready? We got to get where we're going because it's getting kind of late. We got a late start. We got some electrical issues. They're not detrimental, but it was aggravating earlier. We got a late start. All right, here we go. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go. Oh yeah, it's faster. What?
Is it legal to do no hands?
No, it's not illegal to do no hands.
Like pretty soon.
All right, guys, we got some big ships up here. We're gonna get to see them come in, maybe.
Yeah.
What's up?
Do you think,
So you guys see these markers up here in front of us, the green and red triangles? That shows us where the deep water is. It's like a road here.
I saw that on the.
That's right. That's right. You saw it on the star plotter. All right, we're anchored up over here close to Bay Point in Panama City Beach. It's a nice protected spot for the night. We're in super shallow water, probably 2.5 foot. We're at mid-tide, so we got plenty of depth under the boat. And we're getting ready for some dinner. What we getting, Tug? Let's see what we got in there.
There's a zipper and why is there 2 pages?
All right. So what we got? We got to do this quick because we're on lid. We're not eating that one right now.
But that's.
Whoa, dinner is served. Rip it open, everybody. Kids are having lunch. Well, something easy and quick tonight. And then I'm going to have a pork chop. Oh, you want a pork chop? I didn't think so. And then some ground beef.
Ground beef?
Yes. Eat, young man. Eat. Ah! Enjoying our dinner as we enjoy the sun going down. So what we're going to do the next few days, well, we're going to just do what kids do. Do adventurous stuff. We're going to be looking for animals. We're going to be exploring all the cool places and seeing what there is to see.
Can we make a sandcastle?
We might even make a sandcastle. You usually don't smile. You better smile. I'm going to go ahead and thank Element for sponsoring yet another video. It's fantastic that they're doing this for the channel, helping us get out there more and enjoy more. But it's also fantastic that they're providing us with the good nourishment that is in here. How's it taste, Wesson? What do you think? Let's give it a taste, Ted. Now, Tucker, he's not a big fan of it. He says it tastes too salty for him. Don't drink it all. How is it?
Tastes weird.
It does have a hint of salt in it, but hey, that's because it has 1,000 milligrams of sodium. Because whenever we sweat, we're sweating out a lot of salt or a lot of sodium So we need to replenish that. But also we need to be sure we're getting our magnesium and our potassium so we can stay properly hydrated. But this truly is a great drink that has everything you need and nothing that you don't. Doesn't have any sugar, doesn't have any artificial flavors or sweeteners or coloring and stuff in it. It's just a pure drink you can have while you're fasting, and it will not break your fast. And I'm so happy there's a lot of you guys who are getting on the Element train and saying a lot of great things. There's been some good conversations on the Discord server, whether it be in the YouTube comments about this stuff. And right now, Element is offering a special promotion. Everyone who goes to drinkelement.com/TrentSmith gets a free sample pack with every order. So head on over to drinklmnt.com/TrentSmith and get some good Element. This stuff really does work. That's why I literally drink it every day, especially since I started working out again, kind of hard and hardcore. Isn't that right, Weston? I'll be carrying these kids around the house a lot, you know, dragging them through the yard by their ears and stuff like that. All right, folks, we got to get ready for bed. Got to put the fridge back in here. Got to get these kids to brush their teeth, which isn't hard to do. They do pretty good. All right, on with the adventure. So we're getting ready for bed, getting our teeth brushed. Ain't we, buddies?
Mm-hmm.
Y'all having fun yet?
Yeah.
How about you, Weston? You having fun?
Tomorrow's gonna be a big day.
Weston was a little apprehensive about coming on the trip, but he's having fun now. So now we're getting ready for bed. We're gonna sleep good to the rocking of the waves, aren't we, guys? I hope you boys sleep good. I love y'all. Don't wake me up in the middle of the night if you gotta pee.
Weston, don't think I could.
Just kidding. All right. So you guys may be wondering why I'm using flashlights and things. Well, there's a reason. I'll share that with you guys tomorrow. See ya.
Why did he do that 2 times, Dad?
Because I kind of messed up the first time. Don't get me. The crew and I brought the anchor in, and now we are headed over towards the pass, somewhere with some nice clear water and some sand to make a sandcastle.
Yeah.
We had our good breakfast, get our energy up, give us some fuel, and now we're on the way to a little exciting adventure. And everyone slept good. That's important. All right, now we're anchored up. About to hop out into this beautiful water. Woo! Yeah, you can get in. Okay, I'll help you. Hold on just a second. Let me turn the camera off. So this spot, although it's beautiful, it's just too rough. It's just not protected enough for us, so we have to move on somewhere else. So Daddy's gonna go pull the anchors up. Hello! I know. They're saying it's not rough anymore. Sometimes it can still get rough on us. Hey, Weston, look in the water, all the minnows. You see them? Tuck, you tired?
No. I'm sad.
Why are you sad? Huh?
Going. I want to see the flagpole or the turtle.
There's other places to be. All right, so we'll go straight across over to this little protected spot at Shell Island. Okay, go for it. Woo! Now we got us a good little hangout spot right here where it's kind of sort of calm. It's fairly windy these next few days, so it's tougher to find some calm spots, but we're doing what we can. Right on me. What do you see under there, Wesley?
Like one of those like plants.
A clam?
No, plants.
Oh, a plant. Okay. Tucker, why aren't you getting in? Is it cold?
No, I thought go to the rocks.
Okay, all right. They want to go to the rocks. That's where we're going to see a little more fish. Let's go to the rocks.
There is?
No, there's no piranhas. What do you see? Scared? It's okay. I got you.
There's nothing under that rock.
Okay. Now we know. Here, come right over here.
Dad,
What?
could you turn the camera on with me under this?
Yeah, I am.
No, they're like plants.
Okay, yes, little jelly things that grow out of the ground.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some more.
Okay. I don't want it. What do they feel like?
Like Jello.
Like germs?
Jello.
Jello. Over here? Woo, you're splashy, Wes.
I'm scared.
Scared? It's okay. So it is a little breezy out this weekend, but that's okay. It got a little cold when we were snorkeling, so now we've come back, got on the boat. We dried off, got some snacks, and now we're just kind of hanging out.
I'm coming. Why you let your children on top of the roof?
Yeah, I know it. Crazy parent, aren't I?
It goes fast. Is there a TV?
No, there's no TV. Alright, so we moved somewhere a little more calm, a little less boats. There were some rentals playing bumper boats back there. But now, we're right here at St. Andrews State Park. It's a little more calm. bring it over here to the side. I'll help you. Pull it around. It is a little stuck. I need to get a new one. Hold it really tight. Oh, there you go. Yeah. Okay. Probably go. Here you go, Wesson. Yeah. Perfect toss. Clean your hands. You're playing in the sand. Hey, and you may want to move away from the anchor. Let's go over here and do it, okay? Because the anchor's gonna. Yeah, I see it, but the anchor. Look, you're gonna be standing there, and the chain's gonna come over and hurt you, okay? Okay, yeah, it works. Better hurry, because it's gonna be moving in a minute. Yes, I'll help you. I understand being scared of stepping in the grass. You don't know what's in it. Oh, you're cold? I carry you to the shore. Ugh. 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 Whoa, there you go. You gonna fall in. You gonna fall in.
No, my hat.
Oh, your hat. Where's it at? All right, so Tucker and I, we were sitting on the bow of the boat, just hanging out, watching the boats go by. We saw a little fish down in the water flashing. So I got the cast net out and chunked it, and we got a couple little fish down in there. See him?
You think he'll bite me?
No, he won't bite you. He's little. His mouth couldn't bite you if he tried. We're gonna fill up our bucket. Here, will you hold the camera? Film me. All right, Tucker, shine it down on what I'm doing. Oh, was that a jelly? There were some jellies in it. We gotta get the jellies out of here.
Oh no, jellies. There's jelly everything.
Don't just squish them. They'll be nasty all in the boat. I'm gonna lift this up, and they should come out the bottom. Net.
Oh, can I hold
1, 2.
one? Can I hold one?
Yeah, pick one up and put them in the bucket.
Wait, I want to pick one up. Dad,
All right, here.
you hold this.
Okay.
Oh, he feels kind of cool. Wait, how do I pick them up?
Just you can pick them up.
Whoa, he has spikes.
They're tiny. They're not gonna hurt you. Come on, hurry. They need to get in the water quick.
I'm scared they bite.
No, they're not gonna bite. And their little fins are so small, they're not gonna hurt you. There you go.
Ow!
So Tucker,
Ow,
watch me.
The
Look.
spikes hurt.
Okay.
The
They might be a little
spikes.
sharp. So see, I just lay them in my hand. Drop them in there. Now look, they're swimming.
Oh, they're swimming. Can I see them? Oh, they're slimy. Can I take a picture? Dad, can I
What?
put my hand in it?
Yeah.
Oh, this is so... Oh, they won't let you know.
No, they're not gonna let you vet them. Wesson, remember how you spilled the bucket on the beach? Don't spill it in the boat. All right, let's see if I can catch a couple more. Maybe some bigger ones. My hair all funky. Got Ace Ventura going on. I feel like it.
They're scared of us.
All right, we're gonna try this again. Maybe we can get lucky and get us a few more fish, maybe a bigger one, and then catch us a for real one.
What's a burrito?
A for real fish. Like this is just bait we're catching now. All right, here we go. Spot them. Not too bad. Not a perfect pancake, but it'll do. Anybody see flashing in there? You'll see. I don't think I saw one. Oh, might be one in there.
Yeah.
What do you think, Weston?
Yeah, there's one.
No, that's a jelly. Is there a fish?
Yeah. Oh yeah, there is. Dad,
Where?
right there. You can't see it. It's in the milk.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Come in the
All right,
water.
we're gonna let him go.
No.
Yeah, we want to try to get a bigger one. All right, we're going to shore for a little excursion. Just to walk the beach a little bit. Come on, Tuck. Water's pretty clear right here. See everything down in the grass.
They are so fast.
Look at those conchs up there.
What's this?
Hermit crabs.
Oh, I'm not coming in the water. I'll die. Jellyfish?
No, is that jellyfish? Pick it up, Wesson.
Yes, it's jellyfish.
Get it. Get it. Show it to us. Get it.
Oh, I see what you said. Oh!
Hey!
I saw what you said.
Yeah, big ol' hermit crab. You got it.
Oh, that's a humongous. Big chungus. Can I see one?
That's cool.
Oh my.
Is he in there?
Yeah, he's way bigger than this one.
Wow.
And he's cooler.
Look, right up here in front of us. Look.
That's a
Look how big he is.
That's a beetle.
Yeah, he's got the horn. What's that called?
The
Rhinoceros?
He's like as big as the hermit crab. How about we see him fight?
See him fight?
Is he alive?
Let's see.
Dad.
Yeah, he's alive. He's got that pinch right there. It's pretty strong.
Don't. I'm scared. Wait, do you think he can fly? I don't think so.
I don't think so. He's too fat to fly.
I'm calling him. You mean Big Chungus is huge?
Oh, he's grabbing that. She is huge.
That guy's a big. It looks like an orange.
Looks like somebody's brain, doesn't it? It's some sort of a sea creature.
No, wait. It's like your intestines.
Yeah.
That you're.
Eat it.
It's a hermit family. This is the hermit crab town. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Look, there's so many. Is he out?
All right. Yeah, that one's pretty. Look at that. It's a pretty shell.
Oh, pretty. Looks like an arrow. Oh, that one's pretty. Oh, look how big that. Who wants this one?
He's right there.
Oh, right there. Where?
Right down here.
I can't.
Look, I want to point the camera at it.
What if he climbs onto it and he doesn't have it? Wait, how about we get some of the dad?
No, we're not bringing grass on the boat, Crazy.
No, for the fishy.
We're going to need to let the fishy go. Oh, you cold.
The ocean could go. Am I big?
Yeah, you're pretty big. Yeah.
I'm scared of falling.
You won't fall.
Not that high. You're just weak.
All right, Tucker, you can go up the ladder. You grab one, Wesson? Hurry.
I'm trying. I'm gonna do it. What if you can pour them?
Yeah, you can pour it in there.
Wesson, pour in where?
Pour it in there.
I want to get the fish out yet. Only one.
There you go. All right, now y'all can probably get the fish out.
Got one.
All right, throw him out.
Okay, now.
Here you go. He's swimming away.
Dad.
You gonna pour yours out?
Oh.
There he is.
No. I'll put him in the water. Oh.
You gonna put? Oh, he's swimming in there. Oh, you gonna let him go? He's under that. He's under the wires.
He's swimming.
He's swimming.
He's gonna die.
Get him. All right, we're gonna let. There you go. Right out the tube. There you go.
Ah!
Is he gone?
No. Dad!
Oh, hey, stop yelling like a little girl.
Yeah, I can't see him.
Okay. Animal cracker time.
Me.
Woo!
Don't get my animal cracker.
So we spotted something out there floating by. Weston thinks it's goggles. Tucker thinks it's a bag of Cheetos. I think it's a bag of Cheetos. We're gonna go see.
It matches the coloring.
I'll go get it. You guys stay dry. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Nah, don't be doing nothing you ain't supposed to
Lock
do.
the doors.
Oh yeah, lock the doors. That's what you need to do. Lock the only guy who knows how to drive out. It's a balled up bag of Cheetos. It was the Puffs. Let's just hope they got in the water by accident, not on purpose. Here you go.
I think that's the family guy. You can win epic experience. Oh, this is like a gambling Cheeto bag.
Gambling Cheetos, folks. I didn't know they made gambling Cheetos.
Hey, I didn't say it was 100% gambling Cheetos.
So after dinner, when it's snack time, I've learned that we must come out here to eat the food that makes the most crumbs. I'm picky about the boat, and I don't like crumbs in there, and they make crumbs in there, which is bad.
Frisbee. It's a crumb frisbee.
Well, there you go. That's what I gotta deal with right there. It's all right though.
The moon is up.
I'm not talking about the moon, Einstein.
The moon is up. Why is the moon up?
All right, we're coming out to catch the sunset.
Look at that. There's a moon and the sun.
Yeah. Man, that's cool. You can see the trees, huh?
Yeah.
What do you think, Wesson?
Dad, there's 2 deer.
Oh my gosh, there are some deer. You see the deer? You see them, Wesson? I want y'all to stay on the boat. I'm gonna see if I can get in the water and walk over there too, okay?
Oh. They're gonna eat them.
Come up here and check them out. They're right up in there. There's actually 3 deer. One, 2, 3. It's pretty cool. I don't care who you are. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah. Wait, no, Wesson. Hey, I want y'all to be for real. There you go. Very cool.
There's a deer.
Hey, are y'all having fun so far?
Yeah.
That's awesome. What's the best part?
Maybe eating the deer.
Oh, the deer's pretty cool. Now we're just chilling. We have had our dinner and things like that. Maybe we'll have a few more snacks. And then we'll go to bed. Are you ready for bed, Wesson?
Yeah.
Are you? I bet you are. You've had a big day.
I'm kidding.
You're kidding?
I'm
You're just kidding.
I'm kidding.
You're kidding. You ready for bed, Tuck? Yeah, I think so. What time is it? 7:36. No, it's not quite bedtime. You guys did stay up late last night. And you got up kind of early today. So it won't be long. We all slept pretty hard last night. So we got a little exploring we're going to do this morning, but to get us off the anchor and back out into the channel, I'm going to let Captain Tucker, our first mate Tucker, take us out there. So I'm going to get the anchor up. All right, Tucker, the anchor's in. Shift her into gear, buddy. There you go, that's it. All right, now you know where we're going. Just turn us around.
Yes, sir.
You don't remember? Back here.
Oh.
Just spin it around. Yep. Always watch where you're going and always look around you. Make sure there's no other boats coming at you. That's okay, that's okay. Once you get to where it stops, as far as you need to turn it. You don't have to push on it hard. Alright, so now we're going to look out here. We're going to find our markers. You see the green and reds?
Yeah.
We go right down the middle of them. But although, if you look over here, we got another boat coming. So let's go ahead and put it back in neutral. Pull it back. Perfect. And we'll just kind of wait for him. Then we can just follow him out.
Wait, is that where we're supposed to?
Uh-huh. So see that first green one over there? We want to go on the left side of it, okay?
Oh no.
It's okay. No, turn. Turn left. There you go.
You can't turn too much.
That's okay. Well, you can always correct it. Good work. All right, I'm going to be getting some of this anchor up. So, see the one with number 5 on it?
Yeah.
You're going to the left of it, okay?
I know. That's what I'm doing.
Point your boat. Well, your boat's not pointed that way.
I think it is.
No, it's not. Show me which is the left side. Point. Yes, correct. So we want to give plenty of room. So go way to the left of it.
Like,
Yeah, there you go. Let's get all the way over there. There you go. Right between the reds and the greens. Straight out. Now let's speed up the boat just a little bit. Keep pushing till you'll hear the engines. But also watch where you're going. See the boat's turning. A lot of things to pay attention to. Alright, there you go. Now keep pushing it down slowly. The throttle. There you go. Alright, well, too much. Pull it back. I got you. Pull the throttle back. There you go. Alright, yes, keep it right there. Alright, so now you can steer it and take us out. When you're going a little bit faster, you have a little more control too. The old sea screamer gave us a wake, didn't he?
Yeah. It did.
Alright, you can start coming left between those two markers. Just a little bit. There you go. I'm going to speed you up a little bit.
Uh-oh.
Okay, you're doing good. Turn left. Alright, let me have it. We got too many boats coming behind us. I mean, it's not your fault. It's just, we got to turn it quick. Get in the flow of traffic. Look behind us at all the boats coming.
Uh-oh.
See? We got to know that they're coming up behind us. We can't just pull out in front of them and be going super slow. It's right between us and that tower.
I can see it.
So the other day we spotted a shipwreck up here. And of course the boys want to come check it out. So we're going to do it.
Why can't you see it?
You can.
No, like under the water.
Well, it's just a little bit murky, I guess.
Can you get closer?
Yeah, we'll get a little closer on the other side. Look, Tucker. Isn't that?
Oh, how
Tucker, look.
is it buried under the sand?
A little bit. I mean, it's sitting on the sand. Don't go too close, though.
But that's just.
Well, you wouldn't want to.
I'm not kidding.
You want to put it around that cleat there and pull it tight? All right, so go ahead and pull it tight.
What's that, like rock? Is this good? What's that thing?
Hold on just a second, Wesley. All right, yes. Cleat it off. Watch your finger. Let go for a second. Okay, so look how I twist it.
I know.
All right, here.
I was gonna do that.
Go for it. Mm-hmm. All right, but there's a little secret spot, a little secret something you got to do.
What?
So, you come this way, got to twist it underneath.
Oh.
You want to take it off and try it, or you want to?
Okay, I'll try to take it. So, you twist it.
Uh-huh. Pull it tight. There you go.
Then you.
I would wrap it one more time. Yep, and there, you're good. And just be sure you kind of, be sure it's snug. See, that's a little loose. I like it a little tighter.
Oh.
See there?
Dude.
Around one time, and you're good.
Daddy,
All right, what, buddy?
fish.
Oh, there are a lot of fish. Look at all of them at my feet.
Oh, there's so many.
Oh yeah, those are gonna be fun to look at. You can swim under the boat here. So we got a pretty cool little spot to look. There's a hermit crab right there.
Oh!
Pretty cool little creek here to explore.
Look, quicksand in it.
Quicksand.
Yeah.
Oh, let's go check it out. And look, the water's flowing in.
Yeah, it flows super quick.
That means the tide's coming in.
Look,
The water's rising.
like, here's Hermie the hermit crab.
Oh, Hermie, okay, perfect. Looking for him.
Wait, oh, he's gone.
Look at this, it's like a river.
Let me show you the real quicksand.
Yeah, right at the edge of this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm walking in too.
Dad, this is where it actually dries up.
Yeah, it gets hard. Tough to get out there. I know you're just kind of pretending, but...
No, I'm actually sick. Dad!
I think you're okay. Whoop. Whoa, that went pretty deep right there.
Yeah, I told you.
Almost to my knee. Oh, that's a good picture right there. What you working on, Weston? Oh, hermit crab hole, of course. You got one in there?
Yeah, there he is. He's kind of scared. He's not stupid.
Ready for some snorkeling? Oh, the fish getting you?
Ow! Ow!
Hey, hey, listen. Ready? 1, 2, 3, trip down.
One bit me again.
They're not gonna hurt you though. They're just nibbles. Pretty cool, huh? A lot of them.
Yeah. He's a huge one. Wait, are you coming?
Yeah, you wanna go with him?
Yeah.
All right. A little too shallow.
Yeah.
Big wave comes over, could make the boat get real close to the bottom. Wouldn't want it to smush us. Oh, okay. Okay. There you go, playing a sand. Oop, I need my hat though. Trip dip. You seen anything in there, Weston?
No.
No. What's up? Let's go see what you built.
Yeah. Yeah, we played a huge sandcastle. And my favorite part is the window that actually opens.
Open it for me.
One.
Ta-da!
It opened!
Open sesame.
Look, the waves made like a...
Yeah. If you don't fill that in with sand, it's all going to collapse.
Daddy, what happened to this?
Hey, just eventually the waves wash the sand out from around it. Got our anchor up. Got a good first mate on here. And a good second squab down there. Hey, did you have fun on the beach?
Yeah.
Wes, you have fun on the beach?
Yeah.
Okay, you're on your towel. Is anybody hungry?
Me?
Wes, are you hungry?
No.
You said you were hungry earlier.
No, I did not.
And now we're back, about to load the boat. It's a little crowded here, so we're having to wait our turn. But we had a great time. Wes, did you have fun?
Yeah.
Are you ready to go home?
Yeah.
What'd you say earlier? You said you weren't ready to go home. Tuck, you ready to go home?
Uh-huh.
You are? I thought you said you weren't ready to go either.
Oh.
So a few minutes ago when we were on the beach, they wanted to stay. Appreciate y'all watching. I enjoyed this little boy's trip. But take care. I'll see y'all on the next one. We'll be scalloping down in Steenhatchee. All right, take care. Get out there. God bless. See y'all on the next adventure. Tell them bye, Wes.
Bye.